Well, I've been cruising through the Organic Chicks library, the 7 Spiritual Laws of Success, Deepak Chopra. And I'm reading the chapter of applying the law of least effort. And I just wanted to read a little bit. This is at the end of each chapter. This one says, I will put the law of least effort into effect by making a commitment to take the following steps. Number 1, I will practice acceptance. Today I will accept people, situations, circumstances, and events as they occur. I will know that this moment is as it should be, because the whole universe is as it should be. I will not struggle against the whole universe by struggling against this moment. My acceptance is total and complete. I accept things as they are this moment, not as I wish they were. Number 2, having accepted things as they are, I will take responsibility for my situation and for all those events I see as problems. I know that taking responsibility means not blaming anyone or anything for my situation, and this includes myself. I also know that every problem is an opportunity in disguise, and this alertness to opportunities allows me to take this moment and transform it into a greater benefit. I love that part. I'll read that again. I also know that every problem is an opportunity in disguise, and this alertness to opportunities allows me to take this moment and transform it into a greater benefit. Number 3, today my awareness will remain established in defenselessness. I will relinquish the need to defend my point of view. I will feel no need to convince or persuade others to accept my point of view. I will remain open to all points of view and not be rigidly attached to any of them. Great stuff.
Basically, he's saying, live in the now. Because the past is over, the present is yet to be, so live in the now. Accept it for what it is. It was a choice that you made to be where you are in the now.
7 Spiritual Laws of Success. It's a very small book. It's an easy read. I read that in two goes.
So here it is.
That's among other things I've been reading. What else have I been reading around here? This is a really good one here. This is key. The power of your subconscious mind. Ooh.
What is it?
I thought this little...
Oh, my little stool?
Your little root stool stand was falling, but it's not. It's
here,
fine.
are you sure? Should we get a close-up?
Get a close-up of that.
Let's see.
That's kind of a cool stand.
I know, it's just a little root I found.
This book here by Dr. Joseph Murphy, this is the landmark best-selling self-help book, now revised, updated, and expanded. They have another book like this. It's the same one, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, but it's a smaller version. It's only 100 and some odd pages. This is 273 pages long, 280 pages long. And this is a great book. I've been reading this, and you know what I'm going to do on certain videos? I think I'm going to read a chapter or something that really is something I want you to hear, okay? And I think you're going to like that. I'm going to try that. And what else? Oh, here, this is a new one. This is the new one.
The new version of it.
Well, it's the same writing and everything as this one. It just looks like this. We went to the store and got it.
This is the new cover.
The new cover is everything is the same in the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, by Joseph Murphy, PhD. That is a very good book. What other book?
It was copyrighted in 1963 originally.
Hey, what was that other book? We just made a copy of it. I don't know if I want to... Maybe I shouldn't talk about that book just yet, because I'll talk about that one later. Something about science.
The science of getting rich.
Of getting rich, but you know, here's the best book that I think I've ever read.
Not the best book, but go ahead.
Well, to me, at the time anyways,
Well, this is what you had access to.
was Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And you know what? It's wet.
Why is it wet?
I just picked it up and
Why is it wet?
I don't know.
This isn't wet.
I don't know. It was, I'm drying it off just to cover.
Well, don't, when you talk,
The inspirational classic Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you have only one book, I would say get this. This is to get you rich, think and grow rich in all aspects of your life, not just money. It does talk about money, but it also talks about all kinds of other stuff that you can get rich with. It also helps you know how to work your subconscious mind. And yes, your subconscious mind is so powerful. Most people don't even know the types of things that it can do for you. Okay? So you got to get these books, Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success, and
actually, this book here,
that book,
this book right here,
The Science of Getting Rich. I love that little book.
is by a man by the name of Wallace D. Waddle. And this woman received the book in around 1999.
Yeah.
And so she got the rights, I guess, to have it reprinted.
Oh, and she kind of worded it a little bit more easily so you can understand it a little bit easier, right?
Yes, but she received the book, a copy of the old book, spring of 1998, and it was written by a man who had been dead nearly 90 years.
Yeah.
So this little book right here precedes all these other books.
Yeah, and I'll show you how to get that book for free
online
later on. Yes, I will. That's the one I want to be hooked up to. Yeah. This one here, I'm going to read certain excerpts of this too on my channel and make little video clips of that in case you don't want to get the book. You can listen to me read, and I've got to figure out what to call that on my channel, Notes from Joe or Joe's Corner or something, and I'm just going to be sitting there reading to my viewers. I think I'm going to. What do you think?
Joe in the reading room.
Joe knows.
Joe in the reading room.
Joe. Yes, Joe's reading room. No, that doesn't sound right.
No, you just have to say it a few times. Kind of let it roll off your tongue,
Or something,
Or something.